That roars fire, listen to it. That's the mountain over the back of the Burns Club towards Chapman. Coming down them poor bastard houses. And heading our way. Holy shit. I've never in my life seen anything like it. Holy mackerel. It's a big fireball. It's got to be ripping the poor bastards' houses up there. Oh my god, what is... Holy Jesus. This is bad news. Coming straight down towards Dave and Allison's place, like a tornado. Just like a big fireball tornado, look at it. Oh. This is rather frightening. This is ripping me right through people. The house is just up grandma's and everything here. This is a joke. Oh, I get pitted with stuff. Stinging the daylights out of me. I don't know if I'll bloody go home. What is this? It's heading that way. Sheets of tin floating. You near it in the camera. Power lines going down. There'll be more fires. Oh jeez. It's just like being sandblasted.